Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Namaste Thinkers on the best artificial intelligence websites and apps. In this video, I will show you some of the amazing AI apps and websites that can make your life easier, more fun, and more productive. Whether you want to chat with a digital friend, edit your photos and videos, learn new things, or generate creative content, there are many websites and apps that use artificial intelligence, AI, to provide various services and features. Some of the best AI websites and apps that you can use today are OpenAI, an AI research organization that develops cutting-edge AI technology. You can explore their projects, such as GPT-3, DAL-E, and Codex, on their website. You can also join their community and contribute to their mission of creating artificial general intelligence, AGI. AI News, a newsletter that provides regular updates on the latest developments in AI and machine learning. You can subscribe to their newsletter and get curated news, articles, podcasts, and videos on AI topics. You can also browse their archives and discover new insights and trends in AI. RYTR, an AI writing assistant that helps you write faster and better. You can use RYTR to generate high-quality content for various purposes, such as blog posts, emails, social media captions, ads, and more. You can also customize your tone, style, and voice to suit your audience and goals. Crayon, an AI drawing app that lets you create amazing artworks with just a few strokes. You can use Crayon to sketch, paint, or doodle anything you want. Crayon will use its neural network to enhance your drawings and add realistic details and effects. You can also share your creations with other users and get inspired by their artworks. Think Translator, an AI app that lets you translate objects into different languages. You can use Think Translator to take a picture of any object and get its name in any language you choose. You can also hear the pronunciation of the word and learn new vocabulary. Think Translator is a fun and useful app for travelers, learners, and curious minds. WordTune, an AI writing tool that helps you improve your writing skills. You can use WordTune to rewrite any sentence in a better way. WordTune will suggest alternative ways to express your ideas, while preserving your original meaning and tone. You can also use WordTune to expand, shorten, or simplify your sentences. Samantras, an AI word game that challenges your verbal skills. You can play Samantras in two modes, arcade and blocks. In arcade mode, you have to type words related to the given word to clear falling blocks. In blocks mode, you have to type words related to the blocks you want to remove from the board. Samantras is a fun and addictive game that tests your vocabulary and association skills. MightyGPT.com, an AI platform that lets you access the power of GPT-3 without coding. You can use MightyGPT.com to generate various types of content, such as headlines, slogans, summaries, stories, jokes, and more. You can also fine-tune the parameters of GPT-3 to get the best results for your needs. Supermeme.ai, an AI app that lets you create hilarious memes with just a few clicks. You can use Supermeme.ai to choose a meme template or upload your own image. Then, you can type a caption or let the app generate one for you. Supermeme.ai will use its natural language understanding and humor generation skills to create a funny meme for you. Soundful.com, an AI app that lets you create realistic sound effects with just your voice. You can use Soundful.com to record any sound you want, such as a car horn, a dog bark, or a thunderclap. Then, the app will use its sound synthesis technology to transform your voice into the desired sound effect. You can also mix and match different sounds to create unique soundscapes. Assembly AI, an AI app that lets you transcribe audio files into text with high accuracy and speed. You can use Assembly AI to upload any audio file or record your voice directly on the app. Then, the app will use its speech recognition technology to convert your audio into text. You can also edit, export, or share your transcripts with others. Avatar AI, an AI app that lets you create realistic avatars of yourself or anyone else. You can use Avatar AI to take a selfie or upload a photo of someone else. Then, the app will use its face analysis and synthesis technology to create a 3D avatar that resembles the person in the photo. You can also customize your avatar's hair, clothes, accessories, and expressions. Copy.ai, an AI app that helps you generate creative content for various purposes, such as social media posts, blog titles, landing pages, slogans, and more. You can use Copy.ai to brainstorm ideas, overcome writer's block, and save time. Grammarly, an AI app that helps you improve your writing skills by checking your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and tone. You can use Grammarly to write clear, concise, and error-free texts for any occasion. Neural, an AI app that helps you edit your images, videos, and audio files with amazing effects. You can use Neural, love to enhance your photos, create stunning animations, remove unwanted noises, and more. Mem, an AI app that helps you take smart notes and organize your thoughts. You can use Mem to capture anything that comes to your mind, link your notes together, and access them from any device. Synthesia, an AI app that helps you create realistic videos with just text or voice. You can use Synthesia to make personalized videos for marketing, education, entertainment, and more. Otter, an AI app that helps you transcribe your audio files into text with high accuracy and speed. You can use Otter to record meetings, interviews, lectures, podcasts, and more. Beautiful.ai, an AI app that helps you create stunning slide decks and presentations with ease. You can use Beautiful.ai to choose from hundreds of templates, add your content, and let the app do the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Namaste Thinkers for more videos on AI and technology. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.